Hello, today we shall take up exercises and their solutions as regarding electrochemistry in your CBSE class 12 book. And the questions which we shall be taking up is from 3.1 to 3.6. अब इन सवाल के लिए इन प्रश्नों को करने के लिए हम पहले ही कुछ सूत्र या फार्मूले पढ़ चुके हैं, एक्सप्रेशन पढ़ चुके हैं, उसी का उपयोग करना होगा। एक तो ये है that standard electrode potential of the cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. And then एक और ये है relation that delta G standard is equal to minus NFE cell. और एक और relation है that is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 volts upon N log ion outside the cell, concentration of the ion outside the cell, and concentration of the ion inside of the cell. That is anode and cathode. Now, next, we, over and above, we need to go through what is known as inferences from a standard electrode potential, which we have already learned. We can make out an idea about certain questions relating to the standard electrode potential, and we have to find out the proper electrode potentials of every substances, all the metals. And here is how we can learn, in short, the electrode potential. तो ये तो हम सब पहले पढ़ चुके हैं, but still a quick revision is necessary. Now let us take up the question. The question number 1 is arrange the following metals in the order in which they displace each other from the solution of their salts. अब ये कुछ metals दिए हुए हैं, उनके salt solution से किस प्रकार से हम displace कर सकते हैं metals को, उसको हमें जानना है. And as we find here, there are 3 and 2, 5 metals are there, and if they are arranged in the displacement from their salt solution, it would be like this, as shown here. Magnesium will displace aluminum, aluminum will displace zinc, and iron will displace copper from their salt solution. That's there. और ये कहाँ से आया? This is with reference to the electrode potential of the different related half cells. Next question, or similar question is there, and 3.2 standard electrode potential दिया हुआ है, और arrange these metals in the increasing order of the reducing power. अब ये reducing जो more negative है, वो ज़्यादा reducing होता है, ये हमको मालूम है, and accordingly this is the answer here. Next question relates to depict the galvanic cell. एक रिएक्शन दिया है, इसका गैल्वेनिक सेल बताना है, किस तरह से हम उसको फ्रेम करेंगे, बनाएंगे, रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Which of the electrode is negatively charged? And cell notation we have to write like this: zinc solid, zinc ions, salt bridge Ag plus aqua and Ag solid. Then the carriers of current negatively charged. Zinc electrode is negatively charged. Carriers of current, the current will flow from silver to zinc in the external circuit, as we find here in the figure here. So that's the answer. And then next question, individual reaction जो दिया हुआ है वो उसका आंसर ये है. तो इस प्रकार से एक एक क्वेश्चन को हम यहाँ पर सॉल्व किया है हमने, और आप इसको ठीक प्रकार से पढ़ें, समझें, देखें, and related questions and their expressions which are being used are represented here, and the solution have been given simplified here. Similarly, a cell notation is given, and we have to write down the overall reaction at anode, reaction at cathode, and then we have to find out E cell, and this is to be continued to the next slide, and that is the answer is minus 1.2878 volts. That is how 3.6 is related to, of course, an important question related to button cells. We have to find out delta G naught of the reaction and E cell. So here is the answer. Applying the same relation, E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode, and putting up the values here, we get the answer.